So many times we measure rates at separated conditions, and we should be able to handle that kind of data as well. So in this example, we'll see how you can actually do a fluid definition with separator compositions, and then we actually do the mathematical recombination inside of Whitson Plus. To do that, we have the following data set that you should have been provided on the onboarding page, and then we can just split the screen right here so we have some good real estate and just populate this particular well right here with the following reservoir temperature and reservoir pressure. Then we can create a custom process right here. We just call it custom process test, or something along those lines. Can be just your name for that matter. And then the first pressure is to 100, and the second one is when then the temperature is 120, and the second conditions are stock tank conditions. And once we've done with that, you're automatically brought into this view right here, and we can pick a appropriate method, which is the separator composition method. That will allow you to use the data set that you see right here, which is a pretty standard data set for a lot of unconventional wells. So you can get this for $500 or so on a well, and the nice thing is it has a lot of compositional resolution. So instead of buying a very expensive PVT report, you can get a lot of information out of this simplified data when it's used together with the equation of state. The other thing that you can do very simply here is to automatically do the so-called Huffman QC plot. And what you see here is that the blue dots should overlay the gray line that says that you're basically sampling the separated oil and gas at when those compositions are in equilibrium. Sometimes you have big discrepancies for nitrogen, for instance, which is just due to small quantities, so you can just ignore nitrogen, maybe some of the other non-hydrocarbons, but most importantly is that the majority of the C1 to C6 is on the line, and also that C7 is decent. So in this, we just click save, and we've now created our fluid for this well that we're going to use further in the analysis.